What's up guys, 4-point spray back with another video. We're not working on this thing today. Working on my little bro's V6. We're gonna be installing a nitrous kit today, a dry shot. Oh, there it is. There we go, we got that line ran. I drilled and put the nozzle in here. Make sure it was facing the right way. Let me see. We're trying to do all the plumbing first. So I got the homie Jonathan over here and my brother Damien, the owner of the truck, drilling holes right here.
Nice.
Nice. Getting that done. And once we get everything ready, I'm gonna drill another hole right there, run these wires through the inside of the cab, hook it up to a button. We're gonna put what are we putting on it, Damien? I don't know, 75 poly. 75 shot. And you can't tune this truck, so that's why we're spraying in front of the, what is it, the mass airflow sensor or whatever the fuck that shit is. Yeah, we're gonna try to hide it. We're gonna run a little 5.7 Vortex. We're gonna try a 4.8 or something. We don't know. Yeah. So y'all, this is day 2. We had to go to sleep. We got the nitrous wire ran, the nitrous hose. We got the ground from the solenoid coming out this side of the box. We got the positive running under the box. For the relay, we took it up under here. This little good spot right here. Then we got, this is a wire to one side of the button. We're gonna tuck it up under here. So where we're gonna have the button coming out of. Then we just gotta add the switch. Just cut it on and off. That's about it. We're gonna do a little test pass. Let me see. This is how everything looks inside. We loomed everything up. We just did a couple passes. We found out that she don't like doing digs. We got a nitrous backfire. But look, this is a setup. That's a button. That's a fucking switch. So yeah, anything over a 40 roll, she likes.
Right there when I picked up the 80.
Yeah, but that's that shit was off. The whole even picked up, and I guess that's when it ran out or something.
So we got the nitrous setup.
Now.
Real hidden. Sleeper V6. That's just funny, bro. Aquí andamos todos tacuacheando. Who's men's? Yeah, that's it on this video. We're trying to get another. Trying to call out 2 trucks today. 5.7 extended cab exactly like this one, and a 5.3 extended cab like that body style. Cause that 5.3 in the back over there, that black one, Nons wants it. How, Peter? Nons wants it? What's up, Menyo? Put it right here. I'll check that bitch. It's like the hell fell, weak ass foot. Find out we're not even spraying. Yeah, that hole was off. Go, go, go. Yeah, I was like, I don't feel a fucking difference, dude. Yeah. Yeah, you fucking turned it off. Told you. Stupid ass. Alright, bust the bitch. Here. We're here gonna catch a left. that's good. Alright, we'll go back home. Put my seatbelt on before we fucking die, bro. Got a killer 6 head ass. That's why we do nothing. Shows off. Oh, we got this fucking stupid stop sign. Check out the light, bro. Go. God damn. Come on, man. To the middle. After this red part, you're good. Nice. Ooh, they go, oh. Oh shit, there we go. There we go. God damn. Yeah, that woke that bitch up. Alright, let's do it for a 31 now. But you let that motherfucker, I'm gonna let it accelerate and then